Welcome to this training session on aircraft rivet types. Structural fasteners, used to join sheet metal structures securely, come in thousands of shapes and sizes, with many of them specialized and specific to certain aircraft. Rivets are faster to install than bolts and nuts since they adapt well to automatic, high-speed installation tools. Rivet fasteners are divided into two main groups: solid shank rivets and special purpose fasteners that include blind rivets. The solid shank rivet is the most common type of rivet used in aircraft construction. They are time-tested as a reliable type of fastener. Solid rivets are available in several head shapes. The common type are the universal and the 100 degrees countersunk head. Universal head rivets were developed specifically for the aircraft industry and designed as a replacement for both the round and brazier head rivets. The countersunk rivet is primarily intended for use when aerodynamic smoothness is critical, such as on the external surface of a high-speed aircraft. Solid shank rivets require some skill to install, using a pneumatic rivet gun or ball-peen hammer and a bucking bar. Deforming the tail of the rivet fastens it. Blind rivets are a different type of rivet. A pulling tool is used to deform the head in the picture by pulling on the stem. Afterwards, the stem breaks off. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.